Oh yeah, we got a leaky fork seal. Let's fix it. Yeah, I just got back from a ride and noticed it on the trail about halfway through. I'm gonna try to clean the dust and debris out of there and see if that fixes our problem. Should be pretty easy. The only things you're really gonna need for this are a flathead screwdriver. I'm gonna use this one that Kawasaki sent out with the bike because it was already in my toolkit. I like to use this can of suspension clean. I've seen people use brake cleaner, so really the option's yours. Gotta have some shop towels or a microfiber cloth. And then I like this seal cleaner. They're about 25 bucks, and once you buy it once, they'll pretty much last you a lifetime. These come in two different sizes. You could see here that this one is made for forks between 35 and 45 millimeters. This is their small size, and then they also have a larger size. The forks on the KLX 300 are 43 millimeter. You'll need a 10 millimeter socket or wrench too. You're going to want to take off these fork covers. It's just 3 bolts holding these on, and then you can slide it out of the way. Oh yeah, she is filthy. It looks like only the left side is leaking, but I'm gonna go ahead and clean both sides to prevent further issues. So first things first, I'm gonna take these shop towels and clean up as much of this grime as possible. Spend some time here and clean it up as good as you can. So this right here is your dust seal. I was gonna use the flathead screwdriver that Kawasaki sent, but it was a little too big, so I had to grab another one. But you want to be real careful with these, but just pry your screwdriver in there, push your dust seal down. I got a lot of oil coming out here, so that makes me a little bit nervous. If you move this dust seal up and down, you can see there's a bunch of grime kind of built into there. I'm going to clean up as much as I can. I have a feeling it was leaking longer than I expected. So up underneath here is your fork seal. We're going to use this tool to get up underneath there and clean it out. All right, so you got your tool slid over your fork. You're going to want to push it up in there and start rotating. And you'll see more dirt and more oil start to come out. I got a lot coming out. I might have a blown fork seal. All right, I'm going to take this off and re-clean here. So I repositioned this underneath the dust seal, and the bottom hook you could use to clean out any dirt or debris underneath there. I honestly did not expect that much oil to come out. I'm going to continue cleaning it, get everything set back up, and see if it continues to leak. If it does continue to leak, then we're going to have to replace the fork seals. All right, so I'm going to use a generous amount of this suspension cleaner around the dust seal. And I'm going to spray a little bit up here as well. And now I'm just going to wipe away that extra grime and fluid. All right, so this is the cleanest I can get it. I'm gonna go ahead and push the dust seal back up. I'm gonna give her a nice rub down one more time. And now I'm just gonna hold on to the front brake and pump the front suspension, see what happens. So after pumping the suspension a couple times, it still feels dry. I don't feel any extra oil coming out. It is something I'm gonna continue to monitor though. If I see it leaking again soon, I'm gonna go ahead and replace the fork seals. And then I'm gonna clean the right side fork seals as well. I recommend you clean both. You're already here, might as well do it. I lost a decent amount of fork oil there, so like I said, I'm gonna check back over the next couple of days, and if the leak is fixed, at that point I'm gonna go ahead and check my fork oil level. I'm sure I'm gonna need to add a little bit more to the left. The right should still be fine. So if cleaning out the dirt and debris fixed your problem and you want to check your fork oil levels, I definitely recommend this fork oil level tool. So what you're going to want to do is take the fork caps off the KLX 300, take the springs out, and at that point your forks will be fully compressed with the springs out. The fork oil level should sit between 97 and 98 millimeters. We'll put this little level right above 95. And then any fluid that's above that millimeter marking will just get sucked right out from the syringe. I'm going to continue to monitor mine. If it continues to leak, I'll make a separate video about how to replace your fork seals. Just a quick pop in the edit here. I just got back from some pretty serious trail riding, and these forks are still dry, so I definitely recommend cleaning them out. Hopefully this helps you out with your leaking fork seal. If you're interested in dual sports or the KLX 300, please like, comment, and subscribe. It helps me out a ton. Feel free to make fun of me in the comment section, and I'll catch you on the next one.